Hello everyone, welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. And today I'm going to show you how to make a Filipino dish called chicken tinola with a little bit of a twist. You will surely love this dish, especially the broth. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. Let's prepare our ingredients. Using the vegetable peeler, peel and cut the lower end of the true chayote, cut it lengthwise into quarter, and remove the central seed before slicing into 1-inch pieces. Peel and slice 2 onions and set aside. Peel and mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Using the back of the knife, peel 1 inch of ginger and slice it. Remove the tough outer leaves of lemongrass, cut the hard bulbs, bruise the lemongrass by smashing it using the back of your spoon, and form a knot at the center. Chop 2 sweet corns into smaller slices at about 1.5-inch pieces. Clean the chicken by plucking the remaining feathers. Cut the wing tips and chop it at the center. Remove the skin of the drumsticks and run it in the water. Pat the chicken with kitchen paper to remove excess water. Season the chicken with fish sauce and pepper. let's start cooking. Heat the oil in a pot. Fry the chicken pieces until lightly browned. Remove from the pot and set aside. In the same pot, stir-fry ginger for a few minutes. Add the onions, garlic and lemongrass. Stir-fry until onions are soft and lemongrass smells aromatic. Add the chicken back into the pot, season with salt and pepper, stir gently, and cover for 5 minutes over medium heat. Pour the chicken stock and add the sweet corn. Cover and simmer over low heat for 30 minutes before adding the chayote. Simmer again for 15 minutes. Add the baby spinach and simmer for 1 minute. And there you have it, our chicken tinola is ready. This is best served with rice or with toasted bread. Enjoy! Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye bye!